All right, y'all, here we go. Now, a couple safety rules. Please, no standing up while the boat's underway. Everybody, listen to me, please. I don't mind if you talk. Just please keep your voices down. Now, y'all, you can call our company. You can get a dinner boat for you and your friends right here in Pajoy or Costa Rio, either one. And it takes about 24 hours to set up the reservations in the boats. So y'all, you can have, was the very first restaurant to offer riverside dining. Now back then, they had paddle boat rides at Costa Rio. So while you're waiting at your table, you can buy a paddle boat around the Riverwalk. Now y'all, back here what we call, this is what we call Lonesome Dove. When they have conventions and stuff, y'all, they will rent this little room down here, and they'll have little parties and stuff right here. Yeah, right now they're having a little party. This is the part of the tour. I normally tell everybody a little bit about myself. So y'all, about 3 years ago, I had a really bad... a 35-foot-long flag. Now y'all, that flag up there is the same length as this boat. You'll see it. Now the company who built the hotel, y'all, is called HP Zachary. Now HP Zachary is still in business in San Antonio today. We went over to, this is back when we still went over to King William. They've got a gazebo over there. He got off the carriage, walked over with his girlfriend.